Good morning, students. Today we are going to do map work of history chapter Nazism and Rise of Hitler. Children, there are two maps. Let us do the first map. For this map you need world political map. Both the maps you will do in the world political outline map. So let us do the first map in this, which is territories under German expansion. Under the Hitler's rule, which all regions Hitler had occupied. We have the countries, naming them as Lithuania. You can see this map, Lithuania it is. Next one we have Poland. Children, this one, because the countries are very small, especially on the world map, if you have to locate. So that is why you can draw a line like this outside and write over there. Poland. Slovakia, the small one you can just see below this Poland, very small area. Slovakia. Then we have Denmark. You can see here Denmark. Below this here again a very small country, Belgium. Belgium. We have in the center here Austria. Austria. Then France. France. We can see this very clearly, France. So how many countries are shown as per CBSE list? I have marked all these regions which were under the German expansion. We have 7 of them. 1, 2, 3. That is Lithuania, Poland, Slovakia, France, Austria, Belgium and Denmark. This is your map number 1 under this chapter. Children, let us do map number 2, which is major countries of Second World War. Children, we have done both the wars, First World War and Second World War. But this map shows major countries of Second World War. Because First World War map is in the Russian Revolution chapter. When we will do that chapter, we will do that First World War countries also. So right now we have to do the Second World War, which was actually waged by the Hitler. That is why this has been done here. Major countries of Second World War. Now here you can see the index given over here. We have Axis powers and Allied powers. Axis powers, there were 3 countries, Germany, Italy and Japan. So let me show first Axis powers, children. Here you can see the color I have given to it is your purple color, Germany. Then again just below the Germany, a very small country there, Italy. Just little be careful when you are marking. Even you can open the atlas or you can open the Google map, because it has to be very clear, because it's a very small country which you have. I don't know whether you will be able to see this and locate this. So it is Italy, Germany, Italy. Then your Japan. These 3 Axis powers. Next one we have, children, Allied powers, in which there are 4 countries which have joined: UK, that is United Kingdom, France, former USSR and USA. former USSR, that is before the disintegration of USSR. So we have United Kingdom here in red color. Below that we have France. We have USA here. This part is Alaska, which is a part of USA, children. So USA. And then we have a very large part of former USSR. You can see these parts also were, now they are not part of this Russia, because later on they got disintegrated, and these small parts, they have all become the independent countries now. But this was before that, during the Second World War. You can see all these small parts were part of the USSR, which I have marked with the red color, you can see. So that is your former USSR, children, which you can see very clearly. Except this part, you can see, if I am holding this hand like this, you can see here all these parts. Slowly you can see, and you can mark them, or you can color them. You can give some symbol for them. That's up to you how you mark these areas, former USSR. So that's all, children. We have Axis powers, Germany, Italy and Japan. Elite powers, we have United Kingdom, France, USA and former USSR. So that completes your map work of your chapter Nazism and Hitler, children. I hope you have followed. So concentrate on the map properly and do this map, both the maps very neatly, children. That's all, children. Have a good day.